Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS V16 V3607 16-inch gaming laptop with Intel Core 7 processor, Min Series 2 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPU. So friend, ASUS has officially announced the latest version of ASUS V16. It's a 16-inch gaming laptop, an entry-level model that broadens the appeal of innovative ASUS laptop portfolio, futuristic, uber-cool design, details, and unparalleled performance from the new up to Intel Core 7 processor Series 2 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPU. So friend, the 16-inch 16 Gen 10 144 Hz Full HD IPS display with impressive 89% of screen-to-body ratio ensure fluid gaming visual with Dirac audio technology and ASUS Audio Booster provide powerful and immersive sound sovereign offering an outstanding user experience. The laptop also includes large touchpad and comfortable ASUS ErgoSense keyboard and AI noise cancellation technology and 3D NR for enhanced video conferencing designed to deliver impressive gaming experience and unparalleled blend of performance and affordability. So friend, the ASUS V16 also offer military grade durability, 63 watt-hour battery and super power efficiency and bundle PC Game Pass Ultimate, and it's reliable and cost-effective choice for gaming, creativity and everyday tasks and weather conquering virtual real MS to conquering virtual real MS and unleashing newfound creativity. So friend, the laptop is equipped with up to Intel Core 7 processor Series 2 and latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. It effortlessly handles creative tasks and gaming adventure with the addition of the DLSS for multi-frame generation, and user can experience next-generation gaming performance with higher frame rate, improved visual, and ultra-smooth gameplay. And its advanced cooling system featuring dual fan and heat pipe ensure consistent peak performance, while the lightning fast RAM up to 32 GB 56 MHz DDR5 in dual memory slot and SSD significant reduced loading time, allowing user to fight the toughest virtual battle or create and conquer tasks with ease and no matter where they are. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.